Good afternoon, y'all. My name's Joe. Welcome back to another episode of Zfighterperformance Garage. We've been MIA for the last couple of weeks due to some illness. I've been sick for the past couple weeks trying to get over a cold and sinus infection, yada, yada, yada. But we're back, and what we're actually going to be working on in today's video is our 1986 Nissan 200ZR. It has Plasti dip on it currently. We're going to be peeling that Plasti dip and painting the car. Let's get started. So, as you saw in a previous video, here's our 1986 Nissan 200ZR. I kind of already started to work this up. Basically what you do is you just start to roll a corner of it, and then as you're peeling, you want to try and get the edge and just slowly start to peel, and it should come off relatively in sheets. And one sheet you could, but more than likely it's going to be multiple, just because, you know, you have a scoop and basically peeling the car. So let's get to it. So, went ahead and peeled the first panel. You can see the original paint and the Plasti dip. And everybody's, says that it doesn't come off easy, or it ruins your clear coat, or something along those lines. And actually, it did nothing. It peeled off pretty easy. And a lot of this reason it didn't come off in one sheet is because, you get to certain corners or areas and it's easier just to break it and peel a sheet off. So not terrible. Let's get to unwrapping the rest of the car. Okay, so we have removed all of the Plasti dip from the Nissan 200ZR. We did do a few touch-ups as far as body filler. We had a few dings and nicks, as you can see on the car there, a little on the door right there, and had to sand down a little bit there. We're going to throw some primer on it and then wet sand it, get it kind of all smooth, ready to go, and then start taping it up and getting it ready to spray. We realized that we were at a pretty good stopping point on our Nissan 200ZR. We were able to remove all of the Plasti dip from our car, as well as we were able to complete all of the bodywork and sanding of that bodywork and priming of that bodywork on our Nissan 200ZR. We were also able to remove our rear wing, which allows us to be able to paint the rear wing as well as the rear hatch area a little bit easier. And basically for next episode, we're going to be removing the front bumper, tape and draping the entire car, and also on the front bumper we're going to be doing some body work on it and priming the entire front bumper and getting that all smooth, ready to go for paint. And then we're also going to be putting up our makeshift paint booth, which is going to be made out of PVC and painter's plastic basically. And we'll be putting down a tarp on the ground so that way, you know, it's a little bit easier as far as cleanup goes. And pretty much go forward from there. Hopefully you liked today's video. If you did, please don't forget to hit the like button as well as the subscribe button. Also, please turn on your post notifications so you get all new content coming to the channel.